Welcome to Data Hackzz YouTube channel. There is a new Python project. We will convert a PDF file to docs file using Python. Go to Jupyter Notebook. We will install a library, PDF Plumber, PDF to docs and Python docs. Take a few seconds. Downloading and install the PDF Plumber library. From PDF to docs library, we import paste PDF to file path equal where is the location of the PDF file on your computer. Copy path and paste it. Docs file path equal where to put the PDF file location on computer on your computer. Setup path. Save the output. Here look it. Save the output file. Press the function convert PDF to docs. Got a output file. Setup path. Then we so I'm output docs file on my computer here. Thanks for watching video. Do not forget to subscribe.